So I just kind of thought, well, I don't want to live like this.
Yeah, and everything changed in a second. And that's what I want to talk about. Life is short and it's fragile.
When love turns into a war zone, the courtroom becomes the battlefield. Portia de Rossi and Ellen DeGeneres' divorce has taken a nasty turn. And here's what you won't believe happened. From explosive allegations to fiery exchanges, this divorce battle is shaping up to be one of the ugliest in Hollywood history. As both women prepare to air their grievances in court, the stakes are higher than ever. So what shocking revelations will come to light, and how will this affect their legacies? Let's dive into the details of this unfolding drama that has captivated audiences and left fans wondering how two people who once seemed so in love could end up in such a bitter feud. Subscribe to Fame Feed now. The announcement of Portia and Ellen's divorce sent shockwaves through Hollywood, igniting a media frenzy that few could have anticipated. After 11 years of marriage, the couple seemed inseparable, often sharing their love story with fans around the world. However, behind closed doors, tensions had been simmering for years. Reports suggest that a combination of factors led to this dramatic split. Was it years of unresolved tension, infidelity rumors, or perhaps a dramatic fallout that neither could ignore any longer? Sources close to the couple indicate that Ellen's recent struggles with her public image and career may have taken a toll on their relationship. The pressures of fame can be overwhelming, especially when compounded by personal issues. As fans reflect on their journey together, it becomes clear that this divorce is not just about two people parting ways. It symbolizes the end of an era for a couple that many believed would stand the test of time. The media coverage has been relentless, with tabloids dissecting every detail of their relationship history and speculating on what went wrong. This intense scrutiny has added pressure on both women as they navigate this painful chapter in their lives. The public's fascination with their story reflects not only their celebrity status, but also a deeper interest in the complexities of love and partnership in the spotlight. As they each prepare to face what lies ahead, fans are left wondering if there are more surprises waiting to be uncovered. As the divorce proceedings unfold, Portia has reportedly made several shocking allegations against Ellen in court documents. These claims paint a different picture of their relationship than what was publicly portrayed. According to insiders, Portia has accused Ellen of emotional neglect and controlling behavior throughout their marriage. In her filings, Portia describes feeling isolated and overwhelmed by Ellen's demands, suggesting that the once loving relationship had turned toxic over time. Portia felt like she was living in Ellen's shadow, says a source familiar with the situation. She wanted to be seen as an equal partner, but often felt belittled. This sense of emotional turmoil has led Portia to seek validation through legal channels, making her accusations all the more impactful. These allegations have added fuel to an already heated situation, raising questions about how well they truly knew each other beneath the surface. The emotional weight of these accusations could have lasting implications for both women as they navigate this painful chapter in their lives. With each new revelation, fans are left wondering how much more will come to light as this case progresses. The courtroom drama is not just about legal battles, it's also about personal stories being told for the first time. As Portia shares her side of things, many are left questioning whether there were signs all along that hinted at deeper issues within their marriage, issues that may have been overlooked or ignored by both parties until now. In response to Portia's allegations, Ellen has begun to craft her own narrative in court. She is reportedly preparing counterclaims that challenge Portia's version of events, aiming to defend herself against accusations of emotional abuse and control. Ellen's team is expected to argue that Portia was not only aware of, but also complicit in many aspects of their life together. Ellen feels betrayed by Portia's claims, reveals an insider close to her legal team. She believes that Portia is trying to manipulate public opinion against her. This defense strategy indicates that Ellen is not willing to back down without a fight. Ellen's response also highlights her perspective on their shared life, one filled with challenges but also moments of joy and partnership. She plans to present evidence showing how both women contributed to their dynamic over the years, suggesting that any issues were mutual rather than one-sided. As both sides prepare for what promises to be an explosive courtroom showdown, speculation mounts about how these revelations will impact their public images and careers moving forward. Will Ellen be able to maintain her status as a beloved television icon despite these serious allegations? Or will this battle tarnish her legacy forever? The stakes have never been higher for both women involved as they brace themselves for what lies ahead in this high-profile case. Ellen's determination to defend herself may also play out publicly as she seeks not just legal vindication, but also attempts to reshape her narrative amidst swirling rumors and accusations from those she once considered family. One of the most shocking moments from the courtroom proceedings came during a heated exchange between Portia and Ellen's legal teams. Witnesses reported a tense atmosphere as tempers flared over various accusations being thrown back and forth. At one point during cross-examination, it's alleged that Portia shouted at Ellen's attorney, "You think you can just bully me? I'm not going down without a fight." This outburst caught everyone off guard and highlighted just how emotionally charged this situation has become. The courtroom atmosphere has transformed into something resembling reality TV drama, rather than traditional legal proceedings, a testament to how personal relationships can become incredibly complicated when mixed with public scrutiny and high stakes. Each word exchanged carries weight as both sides seek not only justice, but also validation for their experiences during a tumultuous marriage. As with any high-profile divorce, financial stakes are incredibly high. The couple amassed considerable wealth during their time together, including properties valued at millions and various business ventures such as production companies and endorsements. Now, as they navigate this split, questions arise about who will walk away with what. Reports indicate that both women are preparing for an intense financial battle over their shared assets. Sources suggest that Portia is seeking a significant portion of their joint assets due to what she describes as emotional distress caused by Ellen's alleged behavior. The financial implications go beyond mere numbers. They could affect both women's futures significantly. As they prepare for negotiations over property division and potential alimony payments, fans are left wondering how this will ultimately impact their lives moving forward. Will they reach an amicable settlement, or will this devolve into a lengthy legal battle? The potential fallout from these financial disputes could reverberate throughout both women's careers as they try to manage public perceptions while dealing with personal crises behind closed doors. As they face off over assets accumulated during years together, the question remains whether either party will emerge unscathed from this contentious process. Amidst all the legal battles over money and property lies an emotional aspect that many might overlook: the custody of their beloved pets. Both women have shared numerous animals throughout their marriage, each holding sentimental value as part of their family unit. Reports suggest that this issue has become another point of contention between them. Portia is very attached to their dogs, says an insider familiar with her feelings on the matter. She doesn't want to lose them in this process. The thought of dividing up furry family members adds yet another layer of complexity to an already bitter battle. This custody dispute highlights just how intertwined their lives have become over the years, and how difficult it can be to separate those bonds even when love fades. For many fans who have followed their journey together through social media posts showcasing adorable pet moments, the idea of splitting up beloved animals feels particularly heartbreaking. As both women prepare for potential negotiations regarding custody arrangements, it remains unclear whether they'll find common ground or if this will lead yet another conflict between them amid ongoing tensions surrounding everything else happening right now. This emotional struggle over pets serves as a reminder that even amidst financial disputes and serious allegations, there are still deeply personal connections at stake, which can complicate matters further. The outcome could significantly impact both women's mental well-being moving forward after such intense experiences shared together. As news spreads regarding the ongoing divorce proceedings between Portia and Ellen, reactions from friends within Hollywood are beginning to surface. Many celebrities who once admired them as a couple now find themselves caught in a complicated web of loyalty and support amidst such turmoil. Jennifer Aniston has been spotted reaching out to support Portia, while others like Twitch continue standing by Ellen amidst these challenges. This division among friends raises questions about how public figures navigate personal relationships when faced with such high-stakes drama. Will those close them be able to maintain friendships despite differing opinions on who should take sides? As more details emerge regarding who supports whom, the public eagerly awaits any signs indicating where loyalties lie within this famous circle. Fans are watching closely as celebrity friendships hang in balance amid all this chaos surrounding two beloved icons from television history. The reactions from Hollywood stars serve not only as reflections on individual friendships, but also highlight broader themes about loyalty versus accountability within relationships played out under intense public scrutiny. Each response adds another layer to an already complex narrative surrounding two powerful figures facing off against one another publicly. The messy nature of this divorce is likely to impact Ellen's career significantly, and public perception may shift dramatically as well. Once celebrated as one television's most beloved hosts, she now faces renewed scrutiny following past controversies surrounding her workplace environment, which have resurfaced alongside current events unfolding here today. Many fans are left questioning whether latest scandal will tarnish her legacy permanently, or if she can rebound from it like she has done before, after facing criticism head-on. The combination recent Netflix specials' poor reception, coupled with these new allegations, could spell trouble for future endeavors. Entertainment industry. As audiences dissect every detail surrounding these events, it becomes evident just how fragile celebrity reputations can be when faced with personal crises played out publicly. With each headline detailing new developments, the pressure mounts on Ellen not only professionally but personally too. The question remains whether she can navigate through these turbulent waters without losing everything she has worked so hard for throughout her career, all while trying to protect herself against damaging claims made by someone she once loved deeply. How she handles this situation will undoubtedly shape her legacy for years to come. Looking ahead at what lies beyond this tumultuous chapter, what does Portia plan next? Will she move on gracefully into her next phase, or could she use opportunity leverage against Ellen by revealing more secrets about relationship? Rumors swirl around whether Portia might consider writing tell-all book or giving exclusive interviews detailing her side. Such moves would certainly keep name headlines long after divorce proceedings conclude, potentially leading even further into media spotlight. Speculation abounds regarding whether she'll choose freedom from past constraints or seek revenge through revelations meant shake things up within Hollywood circles. Fans eager see what direction takes next. Will it one focused solely healing or one driven anger? As we await further developments, it's clear there's much more at stake than just financial settlements. Reputations hang balance, too. The choices made now could define not only future careers but also personal lives moving forward after such intense experiences shared together. Portia's next steps may very well determine how she is perceived by both fans and critics alike, as someone seeking closure or someone looking for retribution against someone who hurt her deeply. As we look ahead, the big question remains: what happens next in this high-stakes divorce battle? Will Portia and Ellen be able to navigate their differences and reach a settlement, or are they headed for a prolonged legal feud that could drag on for months, if not years? With both women fiercely defending their positions, it's difficult to predict how this will all unfold. Legal experts suggest that if the allegations continue to escalate, we could see a drawn-out courtroom drama filled with more shocking revelations. The emotional toll on both women is already evident, and as they prepare for the next phases of their legal battle, fans are left wondering if there will be any reconciliation or if this marks the definitive end of their relationship. Moreover, the public scrutiny surrounding this divorce is likely to intensify as more details emerge. Will Portia choose to share her side of the story through interviews or a potential book deal, further fueling the media frenzy? Or will Ellen find a way to regain control over her narrative and protect her legacy? As we wait for updates on this unfolding saga, one thing is clear: the drama is far from over. The outcome of this battle could have lasting implications not only for Portia and Ellen, but also for how they are perceived in the public eye moving forward. Fans and followers alike are eager to see how this story develops, hoping for clarity in a situation that has become increasingly complex. What do you think about the allegations being thrown back and forth? Should Portia reveal more secrets about their relationship, or is it time for both women to move on? We want to hear your thoughts. Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates on this unfolding story and more celebrity news. As always, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the latest happenings in Hollywood.